Avocado oil begins not in factories, but in carefully managed orchards.
Timing and handling define oil quality.
Each fruit is selected at peak oil content. Controlled harvesting protects both tree and fruit. Uniform collection ensures even processing later.
Quality control starts at the source.
Harvested fruit awaits transport. Efficiency keeps avocados fresh. Only optimal fruit moves forward. Temperature control preserves oil integrity.
Freshness is locked in for the journey.
Protection continues beyond the orchard. The raw harvest moves toward transformation. What's left behind is preparation for the next harvest. Next, fresh avocados meet industrial precision.
Speed and temperature control protect oil quality in transit.
Cooling systems slow enzymatic breakdown. Stability prevents bruising before processing.
Human oversight supports automation.
Environmental exposure is anticipated. Efficiency keeps the chain unbroken. The destination approaches. Logistics funnel harvest into industry. Scale defines modern oil production. Controlled entry protects product integrity. Traceability is non-negotiable.
22.
Measurement confirms accountability. Data drives precision. The handoff is complete. Next, fresh avocados cross into processing. Here, fresh avocados enter a controlled industrial environment. Every process begins with regulated entry.
Order prevents contamination and delay.
Human oversight anchors the system.
The facility prepares to receive raw fruit.
Hygiene is critical from the first step.
Precision ensures safety and efficiency.
Temperature control remains unbroken. Manual handling protects delicate fruit. The flow moves indoors. Temperature stabilizes raw material. Buffer zones regulate flow. Data ensures consistency. The processing line awakens. Next, avocados are prepared for oil extraction. Before extraction, every avocado must be thoroughly cleaned. Surface contaminants are removed without damaging the fruit.
Gentle abrasion ensures complete cleaning.
Moisture control prepares fruit for sorting.
Human eyes catch what machines may miss.
Only Susudo fruit moves ahead.
Uniformity improves extraction efficiency. Data-driven sorting replaces guesswork. Each lane feeds a specific process. Waste is minimized through smart diversion.
Cleanliness is verified, not assumed.
Dry surfaces protect downstream equipment.
Flow is regulated before processing.
Preparation gives way to transformation.
Next, avocados are broken down for oil extraction.
The fruit is now prepared for oil release.
Removing the pit protects downstream equipment.
Nothing here goes to waste.
The oil-rich pulp moves forward. Cell walls begin to break. Oil-bearing paste takes shape. Temperature control preserves quality. Slow mixing prepares oil droplets to merge. Patience increases oil yield. Precision replaces guesswork. Oxidation is carefully limited. The paste is now ready for separation. Flow must remain constant. All paths lead to extraction. Next, oil is separated from pulp. Centrifugal force extracts the precious avocado oil.
Heavy residues are removed, leaving pure oil behind.
Nothing useful is wasted in modern production. Oil gathers, ready for refinement. Heat control preserves flavor and nutrients. Filtration removes microscopic solids. Large particulates are eliminated first.
Clarity is achieved before polishing.
Even texture and color are essential.
Degassing prevents oxidation and rancidity. Steady flow ensures consistent quality. Intermediate storage balances supply and demand.
Continuous monitoring guarantees purity.
Next, the oil moves toward its final form. Automation takes over to prepare the final product. Precision automation prepares every container. Precision automation prepares every container.
Visual purity reflects chemical integrity. Every bottle meets exacting standards. Sealing preserves freshness and integrity.
Branding meets accuracy.
Traceability ensures supply chain transparency.
Faults are corrected without stopping production.
Protection is built into packaging.
Robotics improve efficiency and consistency.
Even automated processes require verification. Inventory is moved seamlessly.
Precision robotics maximize space and safety.
Climate control maintains oil quality.
Automation ensures rapid response to demand. Checks and balances precede every delivery. Precision guarantees each bottle meets exact standards. Precision guarantees each bottle meets exact standards. A secure seal preserves freshness. Every label is positioned with care. Human verification complements automation. Sterilization enhances shelf life. Exact volume ensures standardization.
Consistency in volume is non-negotiable.
Seal integrity prevents spoilage.
Segregation ensures product categorization.
Automation streamlines logistics from production to storage. Controlled conditions maintain oil quality.
Environmental control safeguards freshness.
Quality control begins with careful sampling. Precision instruments measure every critical parameter.
Viscosity indicates purity and processing quality.
Optical properties reveal chemical integrity.
Acidity levels ensure taste and shelf life standards.
Low peroxide confirms freshness. Taste and aroma are just as important as chemistry. Human senses confirm the quality. Moisture control prevents spoilage. Every batch meeting standards moves forward.
Detection systems catch what is invisible to the eye.
Safety is non-negotiable.
Traceable data ensures accountability. Precision machines prepare protective boxes.
Oversight links laboratory precision with industrial flow.
With quality assured, the oil moves to its final stage.
The journey culminates in careful packaging.
Automation ensures every bottle is securely packed.
Sealing preserves quality during transport. Protection is applied before storage. Palletization prepares product for storage.
Climate-controlled storage preserves freshness.
Robotics ensure precise placement. Traceability guarantees each batch can be tracked.
Preparation begins for distribution. Modern logistics carry the product forward. Careful handling ensures quality on the road. Safety and security remain a priority. Distribution begins, bringing product to market.
And this is how modern factories produce avocado oil from start to finish.